Welcome to our presentation, Why Join My Medical Choice, Part 3. In this final installment of our short video series, we'll explore how to use the legal documents, how the advocacy service works, how the Safe Blood system works, and detail what new members receive in their welcome pack. The Advance Decision Notice is a legal document that can be completed quickly and used as soon as it's been witnessed. It folds down so that the universal symbol for medicine, the caduceus, is clearly recognizable to emergency service staff. It can then be carried around in a purse or wallet. It also includes login details that allow emergency services access to the member's account page data if the member isn't wearing a medical alert tag. The Advance Decision Notice provides medical staff with useful information, such as GP and emergency contacts details, and it stipulates clearly which medical treatments and procedures the member is refusing. The Lasting Power of Attorney document is more complex and is many pages long. It can take some time to complete and then needs registering with the Court of Protection. Some people may already have a lasting power of attorney in place before joining My Medical Choice. If that's the case, then they can upload the existing document to their personal account page rather than complete a new one. For members who feel they need a little extra support at their medical appointment, they can now book a trained advocate to attend in person or via Zoom. The advocacy service is provided by our partner organisation, the Autonomy Hotline. Additional services provided by Autonomy Hotline involve legal advice and representation for when things go wrong. The fee for the advocate service should be discussed at the point of booking and will depend on the type of appointment provided. Advocates attending hospital appointments in person, for example, will incur additional expenses. The Safe Blood system was originally designed to enable members to organise private blood donors. For example, in our user guide we explain how members can find their blood type, how they can find potential donors, and how to test for blood type compatibility before adding a person to their donor contact list. However, it's important to understand that there is no such thing as a blood bank that stores safe, uncontaminated blood in the UK. That is simply not possible. Nor does blood store for very long. Indeed, it begins to degrade as soon as it leaves the body. Instead of a blood bank, the Safe Blood system works by using on-call compatible donors that members arrange privately for their own use as and when needed. The contact and blood type details for each donor can be stored on a member's personal account page for access in an emergency. We also provide a national blood donor database for situations where private donors aren't available. An important update to the Safe Blood system is the pre-op consultation pack. The pack is designed to guide members through preoperative medical appointments for surgery that could require a blood transfusion. The pack provides information on the well-established alternatives to standard blood transfusion, such as synthetics and own blood transfusion methods, as well as how to request them. For more information on the consultation pack, we have a video tutorial available on our blog. We'll cover the Safe Blood system in more detail in a separate presentation. That concludes our presentation on why join My Medical Choice. More information on the topics covered in this video are available on our website, blog, and social media. We hope you found the information useful and look forward to welcoming you as a member very soon. Thank you.